Steam mops and regular mops share the common goal of achieving sparkling floors, but they each bring their own set of advantages and limitations to the chore. But which is best? Let's look at how they compare. Which is the most convenient to use? Steam mops are generally easier to use than regular mops. You fill the water tank, wait for it to heat up, and then start cleaning. There's no need to carry around a bucket of water or wring out a mop head, and the results of your cleaning have nothing to do with the amount of elbow grease you put in, as the steam does all the hard work for you. On the other hand, standard mops rely on you lugging around a heavy bucket of water, which you'll need to replace regularly. When it comes to convenience, the steam mop is the clear winner. Which is more eco-friendly? Traditional mops don't require electricity to operate, unlike steam mops. However, steam mops are generally considered energy efficient because they use relatively small amounts of power for short periods. They also use less water than regular mops. Furthermore, standard mops often rely on chemical cleaning agents which may contain harmful ingredients. Because of this, steam mops are generally seen as the more eco-friendly option. Which is best for mopping up spills? Steam mops aren't as effective at cleaning up liquid-based spills when compared to regular mops. As these mops produce moisture in the form of steam, your floor may get wetter. In comparison, regular mops are designed with highly absorbent materials, which makes them effective at soaking up liquid spills. When it comes to mopping up spills, the regular mop is the winner. Which is best for sanitizing floors? Steam mops are generally better at sanitizing floors compared to regular mops since they use hot steam, which is around 120 degrees Celsius, to kill bacteria and germs. The sanitation level of regular mops largely depends on the cleaning agents used and the thoroughness of the cleaning process. Chemical disinfectants can effectively sanitize your floors, but they may leave residues that need to be rinsed or wiped away. In general, steam mops provide more reliable sanitation when compared to regular mops, which can be used on more surfaces. Steam mops can be used on a variety of surfaces, including tiles, seated hardwood flooring, and concrete. However, steam mops are not suitable for all types of flooring. The steam can penetrate unsealed surfaces, causing warping, swelling, and other signs of damage. In comparison, regular mops can be safely used on many more types of surface, including laminate, hardwood, tile, and vinyl. Which dries quicker? When used correctly, regular mops introduce less moisture to the floor compared to steam mops. However, while more moisture is introduced to the floor using a steam mop, it evaporates quickly due to the high temperature. For this reason, steam mops usually leave your floor drier once you've finished, even though they actually make the floor wetter during the cleaning process. Which is more affordable? In terms of upfront costs, regular mops are more affordable than steam mops. Steam mops use electricity and you may need to replace the mop heads frequently. Overall, regular mops are cheaper than steam mops, though you will need to spend more on cleaning products. In conclusion, the steam mop comes out on top for convenience, eco-friendliness, sanitisation and speed of drying. However, the regular mop wins when it comes to mopping up spills, the number of surface types it can be used on, and affordability. Which is best for you will depend on the types of surfaces you're cleaning and your personal preferences. I hope this video has helped. Don't forget to subscribe for more laundry, washing machine and home care tips. Thanks for watching.